Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation of our project DoorDaon't. More and more people are currently getting interested in joining a DAO and also see them as a real alternative to a traditional company job. But after various scams that already happened in the DAO world, how do people know that they can trust a DAO and if it's even a good fit for them? There are many questions to consider before joining a DAO. Is the community in this DAO active? Do they have a working governance? Is the token equally distributed? Are they transparent? Is the treasury growing? And is it fun to work in this DAO? Currently, there are already tools like DeepDAO out there that give insights into various DAOs, but especially for newbies, it's hard to understand what all of these metrics really mean. And therefore, to support new DAO joiners, we developed DoorDaon't. DoorDaon't supports new DAO joiners to evaluate the transparency and decentralization of a DAO. With the help of our trust scores, they will only join a DAO that aligns with their values. New joiners go to our website and look for the DAO that they're interested in. The first thing they notice is our trust score. Our trust score is built up of different metrics. The highest trust score is 100 points, and the higher the score is, the more decentralized, transparent, and active the DAO is. But let's have a look at a specific DAO to see what it means. In general, the score is calculated based on various metrics. For this MVP, we have the following categories: governance, treasury, token distribution, social media, and ratings. Currently, we are on the governance page, and you can see a red and a green box. But what do these boxes mean? In the red one, you can see the average active voters in percent, and you can see that only 2% in the DAO on average vote for a proposal. And this is quite a really low engagement, why it's in our calculation gets a low rating. But below you can see that actually the monthly completed proposals are quite high, so even though people don't participate, the DAO tries to create regular proposals and keep the community engaged in the decision-making process. On the next page you can see the insights about the treasury. And there you can see another red box, and that's regards the treasury development. And as you can see here, from July to December, the treasury of this DAO dropped really low to only $500, which in our calculations also ranked low because the treasury almost lost all of its finances. Another category we have is ratings, because we also wanted to build kind of like a glass door for DAOs, so people can hear stories of other people, members, their experience in the DAO. And there we have following categories: onboarding, execution and roadmap, community, guild leader management, and opportunities and payouts. But for us, it's also really important that people don't come and scam a DAO to ruin the reputation. So our system is, you have to connect your wallet, and we check that you hold an NFT or the tokens from this DAO, and also for like a specific amount of time, so we can prove we're really part of this DAO and not only doing this to give them a bad rating. In general, the priority of each metrics is based on interviews and a survey conducted with different DAO members. But since we still know that our defined trust score is quite subjective, we also allow users the option to set their own preference. So now we can see the preference settings, and so there can people also go into different categories and set their own measurements. For example, they can put a prioritization for each category, or in the governments tab, how many monthly proposals they see as ideal, as well as how many active voters per proposal they see as ideal. And if after updating the preferences, the trust score then gets calculated based on those changed priorities. Yes, here on the next page you can see the same preference settings, but for the treasury category. On this page you can now see all our current metrics we can get through various APIs. Off-chain DAO governance data is queried using Boardroom API and contains data using Subgraph API. Covalent API provides on-chain real-time data and historic data about DAO treasury and token distribution. This data is stored in a decentralized manner using IPFS. A hybrid governance solution for DAO proposals is developed by integrating benefits off-chain and on-chain voting by using Chainlink Keepers, which stores IPFS proposal data daily on-chain using ERC 721 metadata on Scale Network. Our frontend provides data visualization and trust scores metrics, which enable well-informed decision-making to join a DAO to visitors. But there are also way more other metrics information we plan to include to improve our trust score further. Examples for this is that we also want to give insights about a DAO structure. So who is working in the DAO and who is in the core team. And tools like Sobo.io or Discord roles could help for that. Then we also want to give insights about bounties and payouts, so people know if their skill is needed and if there are bounties in the DAO which interests them, and if their payouts are regularly and fairly executed. And for that, tools like Dwork or Utopia would help. Then we also want to include Twitter milestones and viral tweets to show what were the latest events in the DAO and what achievement were achieved. And tools like CoinFeed would help for that. And furthermore, we also want to include a DAO comparison page. And for us, DAOs are all about transparency, and due to that, it's only a matter of time until even more APIs open up and let us get the data to generate even better insights. This means the more DAO tools and DAO in general develop, the more insights people will gain through our tool. And now some infos about our revenue stream. So we have 3 revenue streams. The first one is enhanced credibility. So DAOs can contact us to conduct the in-depth check to receive a verification checkmark, and this checkmark add extra points to their trust score. Then we provide in-depth analytics. So we provide in-depth analytics and reviews to support DAOs to further increase their credibility. Then we also have preference data. So we provide insights into anonymized user researches and preferences to help DAOs understand their members' needs. And we also have a freemium model, so for everyone interested in joining a DAO and just want to get the insights, for those people, for those users, the tool is fully free. Yeah, so thank you very much for your attention. This is our team. We hope you like our project, and yes, thank you for your support.